Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna change our oil on this Lexus NXX 300. Not NXX, it's NX 300. So if your Lexus look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure if you come with the 2.0 liter engine. Even if it's not the NXX, I think the IS 300 come with it. The one that come with the 2.0 is the same exact engine, same setup. So it's a turbo car, 2.0 turbo. So we're going to go ahead and replace the oil and reset the oil light too. So this video will be about that, and let's get started. Also, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and links will down in the description for oil filter and oil. So we're going to go ahead and take the cap off. And the reason why we take the cap off is just a personal preference. It's nothing, you don't have to do it. And also you can see it takes 0W20. So I'm gonna leave the cap off. The reason why I take it off is just to have the oil flow out in a steady stream and not all over the place or creating a mess. So that's why I take it off. That said, we're gonna go ahead and lift up the vehicle and we're gonna go underneath the vehicle. So guys, now that we're underneath the car, we search for the oil filter. It's going to be right here to your passenger tire, front tire. Your oil filter is right here, and you're going to need a special oil filter tool for that you use to work on the Toyota. So if you never know, Lexus make Toyota make Lexus, so it's the same kind of design where the oil filter come in. And this is the drain plug right here. So I'm gonna go get something to catch the oil and get a special filter for the a special socket for the oil filter. So guys, this is 14mm to take this loose, and you're gonna see the reason why I take the cap off. You see how it just flow out steady? Because if you don't do that, it's gonna be gapped in for air and it's gonna go back and forth, and it might just go over this, because this is not that big of an opening. So we're gonna let that drain some, and then we're gonna reach around here and just unscrew the oil filter. You can use this little part down here to drain it first, but I'm not gonna drain it. I'm just gonna take it out. So guys, this is the oil filter tool for the Lexus and Toyotas. And that's how it goes. It fit right onto that. And then just gonna use a 22mm to just turn it. So that's how we're gonna do it, guys. Alright, and you want to check your washer around your drain plug to make sure it's good. If it's good, you can reuse it, and then you can just order another one for the next oil filter, for the next oil change. So when you're ordering your oil filter, and so even now you can just order it and you'll be okay. This, you just snug it up, you don't have to tighten it, because you don't want to over tighten it. And then we want to have this under here to catch the oil. So I guess it falls on, but yeah, that's why I have that on the ground to catch the mess. So this, we're gonna clean it and we're gonna replace the O-ring. So I'm gonna go clean it and then get back to you guys. Alright, so guys, we just gotta get a hook out this o-ring right here. We're gonna get the new o-ring, which is gonna be in this bag. We're gonna go ahead and install this right here. And also we gotta take this out, and there's another o-ring down there we gotta install. Alright, so we have our filter, guys. We're gonna install it. And make sure you lube the rubber. I lube mine, I've just forget to show it on camera, but yeah, it's lubed up. So guys, right here is if you're changing the oil if you're draining the oil without the filter, it's gonna be 5 quart. And if you're draining the oil and refill with the filter, so you do an oil change. So guys, if you're draining and refilling without changing the oil, it's gonna be 5 quart. If you're draining and refilling with oil filter, we're changing the oil filter like what we just did. We just changed the oil. So oil change consists of oil and filter, and it's gonna be 5.2 quart. And if you dry filling the engine, it's gonna be 6.3 quart. So that's why you gotta do it right there. So yeah, you need so I'm just gonna add the oil. I have a funnel right here so I don't make any mess, and then we're gonna add some oil. So guys, I put 5 quart. Once I put 5 quart in it, it's full all the way up. So I'm going to go ahead and start the car so the oil can circulate throughout the engine. And so we're going to make sure the oil circulates throughout the engine. So now is a good time to start the car, let it warm up. So now we're gonna change the we're gonna reset the oil light, and this is the button you're gonna use. So what you want to do, come all the way over to the right, and then you want to press down. You want to press down till it go down to vehicle setting, and push this one right here. Then you want to come down to oil maintenance and push that right there again. Then you want to press up to reset data, and just like that, the oil data has been reset. So we're gonna let the car run for a little bit. Now we're gonna turn the car off, and then we're gonna let the car sit for like 2 minutes. Let the car sit for 2 minutes so the oil can drain down. Then we can recheck the oil. If it need more, you add it. If you don't need any, you leave it just like that. Alright guys, also please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time. So guys, I just realized you have a schedule maintenance and an oil maintenance. So whichever one come up, you can just reset it the same way how I show you using these buttons right here. If you press on schedule maintenance, you can go up to reset, and then if you once that's done, you can do the oil one too. It's the same thing. All right, so yeah guys, I have to add the 0.2 quart in it, and that's how it goes guys. So please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and peace out. See you next time.